Hi, this is Prajakta from Leverage Physical Therapy. Today we are going to talk about McKenzie protocol that is used for patients with sciatica that happens because of disc protrusion. So when the pain happens in sciatica because of disc protrusion, lot of times patients may complain pain when they are in sitting position, especially prolonged sitting. Bending forward, leaning forward can also produce pain. In such cases, you can try using McKenzie protocol. McKenzie exercises for back pain are series of progressive positions. Here are its stages. Lay on stomach with arms under your shoulder or down at your side, head facing down or turn to one side. Take deep breath and relax and hold for 5 minutes. Lay on a pillow if laying on the stomach is difficult. Next stage is laying prone on the elbows. Next stage is prone press ups. Lay on stomach, place your hands under shoulders, slowly straighten elbows, keeping lower body relaxed while raising the back upward as far as pain will allow. Number of repetitions and hold time will given by your therapist as appropriate for your condition. Pain should slowly decrease from the leg and centralize towards the back. With feet slightly apart, hands on the low back, stabilizing the pelvis, you can do standing back extension. This is also a very good preventative exercise. A lot of patients complain of pain in sciatica that is only on one side. That is either just in the back or it's radiating down the leg. Let's say I have pain in my right side. So what will happen? Patients walk with antalgic gait. So you can try using a glide exercise that is developed in McKenzie method. What you do is you stand about a foot away from the wall and you go towards the wall. So this is my painful side, for example. Okay, so you go against your elbow and shoulder, you're perpendicular to the wall this way, and then you are gonna move just your pelvis so your shoulders are aligned properly. Okay, you hold it for 1 or 2 seconds and just slowly let go, and then again hold it 1 to 2 seconds and let go. And you can try doing that 5 to 10 times and see. Now, while letting it go, you have to be very careful not to bounce back fast. Otherwise, you're gonna lose all the work that you did. And when you come back to upright position, you have to walk your foot slowly to one side and then stand upright, right? And then after this, it's always good to do some back extensions if you feel good. So with back extensions also, I'm holding on my pelvis. I'm holding my pelvis down. I'm not pushing on my lumbar spine. I'm holding on my pelvis and then going back like this. Lay on your stomach and then bend the sore side leg as shown in the video. Slightly extend your back and see if the pain centralizes. With any of these exercises, if there is an increased discomfort or pain, then please discontinue and check with your therapist. If the pain is though in the back, but it's no longer in the leg, so it has centralized towards the back, then that's a good progression. So you have to watch where the pain is traveling. I always tell my patients, please have a pain diary. Like when the pain, what actions make it worse, what actions make it less, and accordingly adjust. Avoid trunk flexion exercises or activities and check with your therapist to get proper guidelines to when resume these activities. There are physical therapists who are certified in McKenzie protocol. So do check in your area if you have one, and definitely go and get low back pain treatment from them as well. Please watch my first video in this sciatica series that explains centralization of the pain. Avoid bending forward and please watch my activity modification videos for complete activity guidelines. My next video in this sciatica treatment series is gonna be lumbar stabilization and what all exercises you can do to avoid recurrent low back pain. All the videos are available on Leverage Therapy website. I will also attach a link in the description section of this video so you can go directly on the website and watch the videos. Thanks from me and from Leverage Physical Therapy.